Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And we're going to answer the question today. Should you finally upgrade those stock floor mats to something premium like Oedro has sent us? We've got premium upgraded floor mats from Oedro, but does it make sense to actually upgrade? We're going to be as fair as possible and actually compare these two head to head in a scientifical battle. We're going to have several different categories that will compare each of these two and assign points to whoever wins. So let's go ahead and see just how quick it is to install the factory floor mats. We do have these nice little buttons to align it up, and we see pretty quick. Let's try that with the Oedros. All right, so we've got our premium cover from Oedro. What about the install time for this? Big premium floor mat probably takes a long time to put in, doesn't it? Well, I'm gonna tell you that it doesn't. There you go, that quick. First competition is the installation time, and this one will be a draw. Guys, it takes about just as much time to take your old floor mats out as it does to put these in. And so if you're worried about how hard it is, if you can take the other ones out and put them in, you can do that as well. So this first competition is a draw. Let's go ahead and check the fitment. We do see that it is cut out perfectly for the bottom, but there's no coverage up on the sides covering the footwell, and it doesn't go very far underneath the pedals either. In fact, it doesn't go underneath the gas pedal at all. Let's check out Oedro's fitment. Now let's check the fitment of the Oedro. We can really see just how much this thing covers and is molded perfectly to our ride's floorboard. The fit is so much better and also covers so much more area. Now, Oedro's coverage goes beyond just replacing what you already had. It actually puts mats in protection where you didn't have it previously. We've got nothing protecting this back, and so everything that comes in and out of here just gets it dirty and can tear it up, but we've got the solution for that right here. Guys, Oedro clearly wins this one. Those stock floor mats barely cover where your feet will land and will definitely not contain any type of spill or any type of dirt. The fitment has been 3D scanned by Oedro to make sure that it's an exact, perfect fit. This is an easy win for Oedro in all the right ways. So let's do the spill test. Guys, will this keep our vehicle safe? Now, if we leave that on there too long, what you're gonna see is that this begins to absorb, and it's gonna be really hard to get it out of there because it's gonna make a muddy mess that you're gonna have to shampoo to get it out. Let's go ahead and try that spill test with Oedro. And we can see that it is perfectly contained right here in this area. It's not soaking in, and I really got to give this one to Oedro. Now for the cleanup test, we're only going to be using paper towels because that's probably all you will have in your vehicle. And so if this is already dirty, you're going to be making some mud. And just these, I don't think are going to cut it because it's still soaking wet. Guys, it's going to leave a musty smell in your car forever because you can't get that out of the carpet. You can see I'm still getting liquid. Let's try that with the Oedro. So let's do that cleanup test again with just paper towels. Now with the other one, it just soaked in and we could never get it all up. Now I did spill quite a bit of water in here. Now this is actually, instead of making a mess, actually cleaning up the floor mat. And so really, if you want to clean these floor mats when they get dirty, just dump a bottle of water on it. So we can really see that we can actually get this all dried up. We don't have to worry about our car getting all musty in the future because Oedro has us covered. And so the final category is the price. Now, what you have is already paid for. It came with the car. But I think if you check Oedro's prices against any of the competitors, you'll see that they come well below what they are offering, but offer a better product. And so even though I'm gonna have to give the Stock Floormats the win on this one, the Oedro price cannot be understated as a great value. So there you have it. Oedro clearly came out on top. But what did you expect, really? Guys, we've got the fit, the finish, the coverage, the easy cleanup, guys. And even though they cost more money than your stock factory floor mats cost, they're still incredibly competitive and definitely an easy decision to purchase. Guys, go ahead and get yours. The link is in the description below. They've got floor mats for nearly every different kind of vehicle that you can imagine. And thank you, Oedro, for sending these out and giving us a good fight between what we have and what we've got now. Definitely, guys, recommend these. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.